Hey guys, this is a part 2 video for my Krytac LMG modification that I've done previously. I bought these transmitter and receiver from Amazon and I installed them into transmitter. I installed it in my gun, receiver I installed it in my Mac. Well, how I did it, I found the thinnest wires from Ethernet cable and I snaked them through the buffer tube. I had to remove the buffer tube. And over here on the bottom, once you take this plate, there's a little hole that's opening. Then you can snake those wires through into your grip without even removing the grip. And once you remove this motor plate, you can connect those wires to the terminals. Actually, I'm gonna show it to you how I did it. Screw number 1 and screw number 2, and it doesn't want to work. Okay, here we go. Screw number 2, put in the safety because I don't want to press the trigger. Battery is connected. All right, everything is connected. So anyway, that's that orange wire. I kind of wrapped it around the terminal orange and wrapped the around terminal the green one. So putting it back together the way it's supposed to be. So the gun is running. Put it works. Fantastic. Safety. So yes, and here orange and green. So orange will be the positive, green would be the negative, and of course the transmitter itself. Small little thing. So now we're going to the Mac. That one is gonna be tricky. We have on a transmitter. We have 4 wires. We have black, red, blue, and yellow. Well, what I did is red, I connected to one of the prongs of the battery, so that would be brown on this side. Black wire, I connected to the motor. That would be brown-white wire. And now yellow and blue, I connected to both terminals of the button. So let's say to the right side of the button, I'm not an electrician or engineer, so I don't know the terminology. So anyway, right side of the button should have 3 wires connected. The left side should have 2, and the motor should have 1. So if you will have any questions, just comment below. I'll try to draw a picture because maybe that'll have a better explanation for you how I installed this, because this is a very tricky to install. Not tricky, it's tricky to wire. You understand where you should put. I have to figure it out on my own. I did it, it works. So anyway, the button press works, and the trigger pull. The only problem with this setup, what I found, is when you do semi-auto, it doesn't usually want to do these. I mean, right now, surprisingly, it works. But sometimes it skips a beat. So you see, a couple of shots, but still, probably it'll work on a semi too. I don't know, it's either the settings on the receiver part. I contacted the company and they didn't give me a good manual for this receiver. So I tried to do research online and found similar transmitters and figured out, kind of tried to figure it out on my own, because over here, yeah, always put cables. Electrode tape is always helpful. But anyway, over here you see these two little holes over here. That's a programming. So you have to short circuit them in order to program them. I don't know what the sequence is. I don't know how it works. Honestly, you'll have to contact the company and they will send you information about it. So if you have any questions, please comment below. I'll try to figure it out or give you a clear answer. Please don't hesitate to ask. All right? Good luck.